Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme 5S and the Oppo A5 2020 and the Oppo A5 2020 and the Realme 5S. Both phones comes with the same Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage, and Oppo A5 2020 is a little bit expensive phone than the Realme 5S, and both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back as you can see. Let's see how much is difference between the Realme 5S and the Oppo A5 2020. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Here we go, and launching at the same time, and the logo came up first on the Realme 5S, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. Who is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up? And Oppo, Realme logos here, and you can see Oppo A5 2020 is a little bit faster than the Realme 5S, about half a second difference there between these devices. And Oppo A5 2020 comes with a 720p IPS LCD display. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see we have 4 GB RAM on both phones. So first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer, basic stuff. Here we go, and you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. So next on the list is the mic lock, and that is a little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020 followed by the Realme 5S. So opening up the music on both phones, here we go, and you can see again exactly the same on both phones. Let's open up videos, and I feel a little bit faster on the A5 2020. Let's open up some more application. We have calculator, and that is a little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020 followed by the Realme 5S. Let's open up YouTube on both phones, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see a little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020 followed by the Realme 5S. So now let's launch some games application and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. We have Candy Crush Sega, and you can see that is again a little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020 followed by the Realme 5S. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and this time Realme 5S feels like a little bit faster there, and again you guys will judge of the speed test. So last game application I'm gonna open is the Temple Run 2, both phones are is really close. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is feels a little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020 followed by the Realme 5S. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones. First website we have is the wikipedia.org, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Maybe Realme 5S is a little bit faster. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see looks very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. Both phones perform really good because both phones comes with the same Snapdragon 665 chipset. Next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website and launching at the same time. And you can see Oppo A5 2020 is a little bit faster than the Realme 5S. Now Realme 5S is also done, so let's see the scrolling, and you can see it looks very smooth on both phones. Both phones perform really good. We don't have any lag, and you can see, let's see the RAM measurement on both phones comes with a 4 GB RAM, so very interesting to see who is better in the RAM measurement. Phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. Let's see music, again no refresh, and that seems like a little bit refresh on the Realme 5S, and again You guys are the judge of the speed test. My clock, again we have a little bit white thing. Let's see YouTube. That is not refresh, I have to say. Let's see Candy Crush Saga. Subway Surfer. Let's see Temper Run 2, that is also not refresh on both phones. Last we are back to the internet browser and you can see that is also not refresh on both phones. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5 2020 in game map loading time, but the system based application speed that was exactly the same on both phones. RAM measurement is also really good on both phones. Both phones perform really good in the RAM measurement performance. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 5S and the Oppo A5 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.